everyone. I know that your life has a lot of confusions, but today I am here to solve this confusion and we are actually going to learn the confusion matrix. So I'm just going to make it very clear to you that what this thing is and how to do the code for this thing. And this is one of the most important things to learn in the classification. So let's go and yeah, one thing is that if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe this channel. This is uh, we are just coming with a very amazing contents. So please like this channel and subscribe it and put comment if you have any advice, anything to say, or any confusion, you can just write in the comment box and let's go to the video. So this is one of the beautiful PPT. You can see this. This is the confusion matrix looks like. Okay, so have some intuition about it. Okay, this is the confusion matrix. You will be getting this that what this thing is actually. Okay. Now these are some terms you will be listening: true positive, true negative, false positive, false negative. So you don't need to worry about this thing. I'll be telling you in a very detailed manner that what this thing is. So let's go. So this is just one of the classification tasks, like these are some labels, okay, some pictures that, okay, this is the truth picture. That these are some pictures of dogs and car is there, mobile phone is there, another. Then actually I have made a model and I have actually tell that model that, okay, tell me which is the dog and which is not the dog. So this is the classification task. Yes. So it predicted some, okay, so in the prediction there will be some right there will be some right predictions, there will be wrong predictions. So how you can evaluate your model? This is the thing, guys. You have to think about this thing. Okay, so don't think much. I am here. So I am going to tell you that how to do it. Okay, so we are actually going to see that which are the dogs and which are not dogs. So you can see it is the predicted and it is the truth. Okay, so now just see that which are the wrong prediction and which is the right prediction. So this is the wrong prediction and this is the wrong prediction and this is the wrong prediction. Okay. So just stay here. And now what we are going to do, we are going to see the true positive word. Okay. True means truth. It is detecting the truth. And predicted positive means positively predicted. Okay. So here you can see here a lot of positive predicted are there. The green is in the positive predicted. But is it the true? So you can see here, there are only one, two, three, four. Four are true. And yes, here is the four. Now you can see opposite of it, false positive. So it all are positive, like prediction is positive, but is it false or true? So false is there, one, two, three. So you can see here the three. So if you have got this thing, then this is very easy for you. Yes, guys. So now we are just going to do it opposite. We are just going to see the no dog. You just blot this thing, okay? And just see that no dog, no dog, no dog. So does it predicted right? You can see here it predicted no dog or no dog. So it is wrong. And it is predicted it no dog. So that is correct because mobile phone is not a dog. And then it has again predicted a dog, not a dog. Okay. So just hold. Okay. So so you can see here that true negative. Negative means predicted negative. So it is predicted negative. Now, which is true? So true is that only one is true. Okay, and which is false? So two are false. So I hope you have got this thing. And if you don't have got, then it's okay, guys. At the first time I was not able to get it. That what this no dog, dog, no dog, and these all blah things. But if you will watch one more time, then of course it will be getting clear to you. Okay, fine. So let's see this thing. So this was the whole thing about the matrices, that the confusion matrix. Now the confusion is almost solved. So let's see the accuracy. So how much accurate we have done. So there you can see here the true negative. True thing is there. One is here, and here is four. So five prediction. Total true predictions are five predictions. Okay. So five predictions we have got right in the 10 samples. So the accuracy is 5 by 10. zero point 0.5. That is the simple thing, guys, for the accuracy. Now let's go on the precision. Yes, guys, precision has a formula. True prediction, no, true positive upon true positive plus false positive. Okay. And recall has the formula true positive upon true positive plus false negative. So there is only one difference is there, false negative and false positive. So precision is positive. Okay. Just remember, for remembering this thing, precision means false positive and recall is false negative. Okay. So that is the basic difference in it. And you can just put the values and get the answer. That is the very simple, guys. And we'll be seeing in the code, you don't need to actually manually write the things and calculate this thing. No, we are the machine learning experts and we are very much intellectual. We'll do things very easy. Okay. So for precision, think about the predictions as your base, and for recall, think about the truth as your base. Okay, I hope you got this thing. Now F1 score is there. You know, F1 score has this formula, and you just put the if you have got the precision and recall, then put this thing in the formula, and you'll be getting this. But we will be not getting, as we are the smart people, so we'll be getting it by the code. When very simple code. Okay, so let's see the code. Here is the code. You can get the code in the description. Just go there and click the link. You'll be getting it. Okay. So PPT link is there. You can just access it. Okay. And what we have done, actually, we have actually installed the Seaborn library and all this thing. And after that, we have also imported the matplot. And then from the sklearn matrix, we have actually imported the confusion matrix and classification report. We'll be seeing what these things are. And from pandas, we have actually imported the panda. So we have actually got the print confusion matrix function from GitHub. You can just check it out. Okay, here is the thing. You can check it out, and thank you, Shapal, for this. So from this, you can actually make a confusion matrix like this. So you can see here truth and prediction is there. Okay. So what is the truth and prediction? Just see this thing. So truth is that there is a dog. So it is, this line of picture is actually written in the form of the text. Here is a dog, and here is not a dog. And then after it, there is a dog. And the prediction, you can see dog, dog, dog. So you can see here dog, dog, dog. Okay. So this is the similar thing we have actually talked about. So now you can see here we have actually put it in the confusion matrix. By using the confusion matrix, you can see we have put it two frames. Truth is there, prediction is there, prediction label or truth label is there, and it will actually compare it. Okay, so that is the simple thing, guys. And we are just going to print this thing. Okay, print this thing. So here you can see on the y-axis there is a truth. On the x-axis there is predicted value. Okay, we can see. So now in the case of the diagonal, it is right. Okay, in the diagonal side it is always right. So on the there is a dog is the truth, and it actually predicted the dog. That's why it is truth. Now, like you can see here the black mark. It is not a dog and it predicted not a dog. But here truth is that it is not a dog, but predicted is the dog. So that is the incorrect. Okay. And you can see here the truth is that it is dog, but it predicted that it is not a dog. Maybe you will get confused that what is the dog, not dog, dog, and all these things. Take a break, just relax and relax your mind, and again study it. Okay, you'll be of course getting it. Now, what we are going to do, we are actually going to get a report, classification report. We don't have to manually calculate the precision, recall, F1 score, and all blah blah, all the things. You can see here we have got the precision for the dog 0.57. And you can see here we have got it 0.57. Yes, you are right, guys. And here we got the recall as 0.67. Let's see. Here is the recall is 0.67 for the dog. Okay. So this was the simple thing. You can also get the accuracy is also there. Accuracy is 0.5. You can see, and all these things. And F1 score is also calculated here. You can just put the values in the formula. Okay, no, not a big issue. So you can see here 0.61 or 0.62 is here. Actually, it I have manually calculated it. and for not, it is also calculated. So that is not a big issue. Now, I hope this thing is very clear to you. We have done the coding part, we have done the theory part, and I hope this is very clear. Now, if it is clear, then please hit a like button first thing, and share this video who is actually learning the machine learning. Okay, this is the quiz. Okay, quiz link is in the description. Just go and attempt that quiz so that you will validate that what we have you have learned. Okay, so F1 score of a precision and recall. This is thing that you have to search on the Google. Okay, please have a Google search that what is the F1 score of precision and recall, and you'll be getting a very interesting thing. If you have heard about geometric mean, arithmetic mean, and harmonic mean, link will be in the description. Just go and just click there. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this lecture, guys, and meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep exploring.